In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and undo custom display scaling from 500% to 100% in Windows 11. Incorrect display scaling can make your desktop icons and text appear either gigantic or minuscule, which can be quite frustrating. So, let's get you back to a comfortable viewing experience by resetting this setting. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Start menu, which can be accessed by clicking on the Windows icon typically found at the bottom left corner of your screen. This iconic button opens up the gateway to your computer's settings. Once the Start menu is open, let's go ahead and find the Settings option. It's shaped like a little gear icon, neatly tucked into the list. Clicking on this will bring up a new window where you can access and modify various configurations on your computer. Now that we're in the Settings menu, the next place we need to head over to is the System section. The System tab is where you'll find all the core hardware and OS settings, including those related to display options. It should be the first one in the list, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and give that a click. With the System settings open, you'll see another list of options on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to look for the Display option. This is where we'll make the necessary changes to get your screen back to its optimal state. Select the Display option to proceed. Under the Display settings, you should see various selections related to how your screen appears. What you're looking for here is the Scale option. Clicking on Scale will open a menu where you can adjust the size of text, apps, and other items on your screen to your liking. You're almost at the finish line. Within the Scale settings, you should notice a section labeled Custom Scaling. This is where you can type in your preferred scale. To return to normal display settings, you can type in the number 100. But note that you have the flexibility to choose a different percentage if that's what suits your viewing comfort. Ensure you double-check the scale number entered before proceeding. Now, once you've entered the desired scaling factor, go ahead and apply the changes. You might be prompted to sign out and back into your system for the changes to take effect. It's a simple step and shouldn't take too long. And there you have it. Your display scaling should now be back to the desired settings, restoring clarity to your desktop visually. Enjoy the comfort of a well-adjusted screen as you go about your tasks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more useful tech tips and tricks.